I think what we're seeing with the Central and South American countries in large part is, particularly with Central America, it's interesting. The general public has a perception of Central America as being one giant rainforest and that has no water problems. And it's amazing how many water issues do exist in that part of the world. So what's happening with a lot of these water initiatives, and the CEO Water Mandate is one of them, but there are other activities going on under different programs, is to raise awareness of the importance of the water resource in that area. That it's not assumed that there's always going to be a lot of water because it's a general tropical environment. The importance of good water stewardship, the need for industry and communities to work together so that there is no conflict and competition for the water resource. I think in areas, some parts of Central and South America where we've seen water shortages lately, or restrictions on industrial water use because of limited amount, and the default is always the community gets its water first. I think that's really raised awareness and an understanding that wow, even though we are in this kind of ecosystem, it doesn't always mean that there's plenty of water for everybody. I think the other thing that we're seeing in Central and South America is the developing economies, so that as the economies improve and the communities and societies improve, the demand on the water resources increases, and it has to be managed well. And the advantage that places that are developing now have over, Europe and North America and so on, is that there's examples now, there's lessons learned, and you don't have to repeat history, or the bad parts of it at least, because you can see how it happens. And it's been very encouraging to see what's going on down in Central and South America, of very, very proactive and innovative approaches to water resources going forward.